Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam today asserted that the so-called buffer zone violates freedom of movement under Article 19 of Indian Constitution. The MP also alleged that a section of people who try to justify this imaginary and unconstitutional line as someone trying to mislead people. Speaking to media persons at his residence in Kaisamthong, MP Bimol Akoijam asserted that central government has not legally sanctioned the existence of buffer zones. However, the word buffer zone has created a barrier in the minds of communities that they cannot move from place to place freely. The MP also expressed his dismay on some sections who seem to have accepted the existence of buffer zones instead of questioning the existence of such imaginary or unconstitutional line. Speaking further, MP Bimol Akoijam has urged people in the state to unite against elements that try to fragment Manipur and those who further fuel communal tensions between communities.
India I believe Parks in a Sina Hindu Gilam, Sina Muslim Gilam, Sina Jain Gilam, Sina Christian Gilam, Haina Yen Bayada believe Parks the Manipur have a state a Malay Gama Sidesida, Furukinamada, Aigilam, Magilam, Adugilam in Torresek, Megitang Ahum 2023 the Gi, Hobama, Aquina, Ubo Punker. Community ki basis the communal divide ama Manipur da tawra isi ki concrete manifestation proof ki maming da Manipur bu thugai ba bisi ki phong na sa phong ni ba posing asai gi buffer zone na khaidura isi ne hari ba zone si da citizen amana changba yai ya den thingai se article 19 against the freedom of movement ama kaide ine changba ya de se han khangda bro lan taw se khangda bro kai ngang su tai ba ina kok te accept to ba kang bu ne ba masana yazare ba changba ya de question to bogi mahutta kaido bogi changba ya roi doino koi thugaibam chang ai jari akhon dum yara leisi karigino MP mana magi kendra manung de yeng ba changjan ge de yadri se India history da thokra rise tho amaga su karamba ground da kari context da thokhrino haibunga akhoi siga manabra haibum su khoi hangmam thoe state ki security forces and legitimate forces singsina must encourage to bom thokti noina khulai khomgale noina sanitize tawre hai se tawdi hai ta ina tradu de moina du arga de miyam na masi kaw da ba phai akhoi puno na bina ba ma changi